Hello and welcome to this training where I'll show you how to manage your Blogger website. That's your website that is built on Blogger. My name is Philip Amiola. I am Director of Strategy at the Plenipotent Company Limited. Please note that this is a quick start guide. If you want a more detailed guide, refer to the more detailed video. Here I just want to show you how to do the most important and most frequent things fast. Okay, let's get started. This is the website we want to manage. Your websites may be different, or you may have to manage a different kind of website, but as long as it is built on Blogger, the principles are the same. The specifics may vary, but the principles are the same. Okay, so this is the website. So you want to add pictures, remove pictures. So what you are going to do is you log in through blogger.com because it is built on Blogger. Make sure you are signed into the Gmail account associated with the blog or the website. In my own case, this is the account. If I sign out now, you see that once I go to blogger.com, it won't show this. Now I go to blogger.com, it automatically takes me to the dashboard because I am signed into the Google account associated with it. So if I'm signed into another Google account, I'll just click this and pick the one associated with it. But let me even sign out so that you see what it looks like if I'm not signed in at all. So if I'm not signed into Google at all and I go to blogger.com, this is what I'm going to see. Then I click sign in. And I pick the account that is associated with the particular website I want to work on, and this is it. So this particular email address is an admin on the website. So that's what I'm picking, and then automatically it takes you to your dashboard. These are the posts. For this particular website, every post you see here or every image you see here is actually a post. So to create images or to add images to your website, you will create a post, and to remove images, you remove the post. If you want to edit anything like this Happy Family, now you want to change it from Happy Family, or you want to change this from Bright and Beautiful to something else, you will edit it. Okay, so let's assume we want to change this Happy Family now to Great Family. You come to Blogger, you locate this is it, or you can even come here and open it. Let's open it in a new tab so that you can be sure that okay, so the link, you can use the link to identify it as it were. So but this is the post here. Now edit, so you click on edit. So let's call it Great Family or Amazing Family. You can always change this, and I expect that you will actually change it. Okay, so update. By the time you refresh your website, now let's go back to the home page. By the time you go, you see that the Happy Family would have changed to Amazing Family. Can you see? So that's that. Now if you want to add a new picture, you click on new post, you create new post, and then you give it a title. I don't know the title I'll give it now. Let me pick the image first. You pick your image from wherever it is. In my case, I'm uploading from my laptop, so I go to the laptop and I pick an image. So once you upload the image, pick this and then original size. Can you see? Choose original size. So this, let's call it Life Begins at 40. And then you can always add other things. You can add text. Okay, you can say a little stuff about the item you are adding. If you are a fashion designer, for example, okay, you are taking up the role of a makeup artist, for example, you can say something about the ingredients, or you know what you want to talk about. You can put something here, and then you can even add links. Maybe you want to link to a place where they can buy your product, or you want to link to maybe a paystack link for sale, or anything at all. You can pick this and then you pick link and you put the address you want to link to. You copy the full address and paste it here. Maybe you want to link to your contact page, for example. You can go to contact and then copy the address of the contact page, or right click here and pick copy link address, or you can just click it and copy from here, and then you pick where are we? Okay, you paste the link here and you pick okay. So by the time you publish this, now once people click this, it will take them to the contact page. So I'm just showing you what to do and how to do these things. Now it doesn't necessarily have to be that you do it this way. Can you see labels? Labels are ways to group your post into categories. When you look at this, for example, you see that we have different categories. By the time under gallery, for example, by the time you check, you see fashion, you see child, you see product. So each of this is a label. We have used the label to group similar images together. If you want to change it, you can change it. So if you click child, for example, now, or let's say you click fashion, for example, and you decide that, okay, I don't want this image under fashion anymore. What you are just going to do, can you see here, you see fashion and you see personal. So there are two labels attached with fashion and personal. If you want to edit, you can edit it and remove fashion. If you remove fashion from the label, then this picture will no longer show by the time you click fashion. Then you go to child. By the time you click child, you see the child photos. If you want to edit it to, maybe you want to change this child photo, you want to change it to family, just edit it and remove the label, change that label to family. Or if you want it to show both on child and then on family, put child, put family. Now, like I have said, every item you see here for this particular theme, what will determine how your website looks is the theme you are using, the theme or the template. For this particular theme, all of the items you see here are posts. You create them as posts. So if I want to add another picture now, I create a new post, which is what we're in the process of doing. Then the label I want to give this is personal. I've already created those labels. Now let's assume there is no existing label for what you are posting. For example, now let's assume you want to create a category of pictures strictly for birthdays. We want birthdays. Okay, so you can create another label. Just put it there, birthdays. Okay, and then that's it. You have created your label. So next time you want to post a post, your birthday is done, then you publish. Next time that you want to publish a post, these birthdays will be already created as a label, which you can now add. But in this case, we just want to put personal. Okay, if we like, we can make fashion also. We can add fashion. We want it to show under personal pictures, then want it to also show under fashion. So you pick that. Okay, and then you publish. If you like, you can change the permalinks. But you can simply leave it at automatic. It will generate the permalink. Permalink is the link that you see in the browser. For example, if I click this now and I open it, let me open it later. This link is the permalink for that post. Okay, so that's the meaning of permalink. Okay, then I'm done. And once I'm ready, I publish. Now, if you check the blog page, now can you see that we have said it before that all of the items on the site, they are created as posts. But so how do you now separate the posts that you want to be blog posts? Okay, you see that when I clicked blog now, only this post appeared because this is the only blog post that we have published. Now what you do when you want to publish a blog post, if instead of just adding content to the site, you don't just want to add content, you want to actually publish a blog post. Maybe you want to blog about this event. Now you want to talk about the customer, we rejoice with our customer, or with our clients, and then you want to put stuff like that, blah 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 blah. Okay, you wrote about the event, blah blah blah. You have written everything you want to, like that. You have written everything. So, and you want it to come under posts. Okay, you want it to come under blog as a post under blog. As it is now, we only have one blog post. So this will become the second. So this is not just adding picture to the site. We are adding picture to the site, and we also want it to come as a blog post. What we have done is we have created a label for the post that we want to appear as blog post, and we call that label post. So this is it, post. So if you want this to appear as a blog post, just add post to it. So any post that you are publishing as a blog post, for example, you have a series like Photography Taught Me is a series, and then you are posting another article in this series that is you are posting it, and you want it to be strictly a post. Okay, it's not even under any category. So if it is strictly a post, just put post, don't add any other label. But if you want it to also appear, maybe let's see what we have under galleries. Okay, you want it to also appear under fashion. Okay, you can also put fashion. Okay, fashion, and then you want it to appear under personal, you put personal. It's up to you. You can always edit these things, but I'm just explaining. Then you put done. You click done and you publish. If I don't put post here, then it's not going to show under the blog, because what we did to create the blog is that we made this blog link to all the posts that were labeled with that word post. Okay, so this is it now done. Then I think we have talked enough. You open the new post, insert an image, make sure it is original size. You click original. Once you insert the image, it might look something like this at first. Then you come and you pick original size. If you want to write anything about the image, you write it. If you want to link, you link. You set the right label or the appropriate label, and you publish. So by the time we reload our site now, you will see another picture here. You see that the picture we just added has been updated here. So let's just go back to the home page and see. Can you see the picture we just added? This is it. It begins at 40. That's the picture. Okay. So if we go to our blog page too, because we added the label posts, that post would have also added to our blog page. So this is blog. We can refresh, or we can click blog all over again. So you see that we'll now have 2 posts instead of 1, and that second one will be the second post. Can you see? So this is the second post now. Okay, so that's how to create posts. But in this case, we did not put anything under the post, so I'm going to remove it from posts. So just go back and then edit, and remove the post tag or the post label now. So done, then update. So by the time I refresh this blog page, or if I click the blog page again, or I simply refresh it, that post is gone because it's no longer added as a post. So that is it. I hope you get it now. If you want more information or more details, there is a second video that goes into more details about customization and a lot of other things, but I want you to have something short that you can easily refer to very fast and then over and over again if necessary. Okay, so that's how to add content to your Blogger website, or how to update your Blogger website. Let me know if you have any question. You can reach out to me via email, you can put a phone call through or connect on WhatsApp, and you can also reach me on social media. I am more active on Twitter, but my username across all platforms, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, my username is Philip Amiola, @PhilipAmiola. So you can always reach out and ask your questions. Thank you and best wishes.